Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I created this very pretty pink eye makeup look for you guys, and if you like it then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So first of all, I'm going to prep my eyes with my favorite Maybelline Age Divine Concealer. You can see the shade, it's light pale. Now I'm blending it properly with a brush. Now I'm taking the powder from my e.l.f. contour kit, and this is really nice. I'm applying it with my fingers. Now taking this matte pink shade, I'm blending it in my crease with my blending brush, which is by Miniso. I'm slowly building the color. Now taking this metallic shimmery pink shade from the palette, I'm gently applying it with my fingers. You can also use a brush, but I prefer to apply these kind of shades with my fingers. Taking the same blending brush and I'm softening the edges. Now I'm using this black shade to darken the outer corners of the eye, and you have to be really careful while using dark shades. Don't apply too much. You can always build the color slowly. If you apply too much product at once, then it's going to look ashy and it will be really hard for you to blend. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone and the inner corners of the eye, and I'm really sorry I forgot to show you the shade I used, but you can use your regular highlighter, and you can also use the highlighter shades that are available in the eyeshadow palettes. Next step is the winged eyeliner. Always draw short strokes and then you can join them later, and this will give you a very neat line. I'm using another thin brush for drawing the wing. I'm applying the same pink matte shade on the lower lash line. And now adding some black color as well. Time for mascara. This is the Maybelline mascara, and this is good if you want a very natural looking eyelashes. Okay, so this is the last step. I am taking my gel eyeliner. This is by Inglot, and I am applying it on my upper and lower waterline. You can use a kajal pencil as well. And ta-da! This is the final look.